No, oh, you need to go around. Baliktad kayo. Yung you're not looking at it. Tapos yung kamay.
Baby push.
No, Dad. Julene. No. Tayo ka dyan. Tayo. Don't do that grass. You're gonna be itchy. Oh, Dad!
Hey, you can't put on this. There's a Rocky right there. Dad's a whole new obstacle.
Ito, mainitan ka. Ate Dong doesn't like the sun. What is that sound?
Me.
Or a cow.
Hey, I'm almost there.
You stop.
You stop.
Oh, be careful.
No stopping. Get away from me.
So what's the name of that game? Ninja game? Jade, tayo ka. It's itchy. The grass is itchy. No, you don't want to be. Tayo ka na.
Bro. I'm staying.
Julene, don't be careful with your sister. Dapat patintero na lang dong dyan eh. Okay. Doon na lang ha. Marunong sila nung tag. What do you call that one? You have to go cross. They do the crossing, Dad. They need to cross. Red Rover, yeah. Over there. Yun Red Rover ang tawag nila. Okay, game. Ayun na, ayan.
Red Rover. Then you are Red Rover. And then you go with this. There you go.
Yeah, we gotta bust it. Yep.
Yun yung ginagawa nila.
No, it's too much running.
No. Letter T.
No, I don't know that one.
Okay. Ate Dong, ikaw magsimula. Siya muna. Bantayan mo. Dalawa kayo. Team, di ba? Team. Jilana sa pantay kayo. Okay, don't let them pass. Dala. It's their turn now. It's their turn. It's your turn now. Jilana, Ate Dong. Hello, MJ. She and Jilana. Okay, game. Ready.
Oh, get ready.
Okay, don't let them pass. First, Julene. Jade, go in the first, middle.
Joe,
Okay.
come closer. Joe, come close, real close. You gotta get him fast.
Don't let them pass.
Joe, closer. Closer.
Oh. Sobra naman ah.
She pulled shirts. Two big kids.
Wala, ayaw niya, gusto ka niya. You should be like this.
Careful, honey.
You have to do that.
Careful, you stretched over.
Oh, we need one more person though, because you can't take them both.
Okay, game. Go. Jilana, go in the middle now. Go, Jilana, go with Ate Dong, your team, Ate Dong. Don't let them